driving down Mountain View. We already passed Miss Donna's house. Miss Donna fixed up her street. So here's Mountain View and Francis Avenue on the left, Mont Street on the right. I think today is Jamaica Day at school. What is today called?
Jamaica Day.
Oh, Jamaica Day, so I was right. So you see a lot of the school kids wearing their Jamaica shirt, young or old. So it's Friday, so you know there's gonna be a lot of traffic. Plus the time is 14:47. So these times, a lot of traffic. On my way to the arcade close to the passport office in Constant Spring. Yeah. So you see another person there in their Jamaica shirt. Yeah, guys, like and subscribe. Help me to grow this channel. I'm putting in the work. You see, I'm driving, making sure you guys get that raw content, you know, in the ghetto. See how we live. There's a school right here on the left. You see everybody's in their Jamaica Day attire. This school is, what's the name of this school? Excelsior High. Top school on the island. Your kid get into this school, you know you're doing something right. See the traffic on both sides. And one thing in Jamaica, when you're driving, Excelsior Community College, when you're driving, it's very difficult. You have to be a defensive driver. That's what I would recommend anybody coming from another country and want to drive. I feel like the convenience is better, be able to go. I just like that better, driving myself around. And I think it's safer as well. That's just my opinion. And you can get up and go whenever you choose. Nannyville Gardens right there. It's another, you know, garrison ghetto community. And then coming up on the left is Stadium. You know, right after Nannyville is Stadium, where the red lights are. Red lights coming up. Sorry for the video if it's shaking, but you know the roads are not too smooth. You know, you have to navigate the potholes like I just did a while ago. And sometimes you have to come into the ongoing traffic to navigate the potholes and then navigate the cars as well. So it's definitely not for the lighthearted to drive in Jamaica, but I would prefer to drive. I would just say take your time. If somebody's behind me and they're rushing, I just pull over a little bit and let them go. That's it. No problems. Stadium is down there. We just passed it, the street. There it is right over there. National Stadium. I feel like they should fix up this intersection nicer though, since National Stadium is right here. The road is rough, right? The little intersection. It's almost like a cement truck was driving and it spilled some cement. And they just let the cement dry. Like that's how the road looks at that little intersection. Also, the key word is patience when you're driving in Jamaica. Patience. You gotta have patience. Driving in Jamaica remind me of driving in New York. You know, people are very impatient. They're very aggressive. But when I'm driving here, I just tell myself calm, cool, collective. Calm, cool, collective. So even if I'm in the right, I just let it go. Somebody wants to cut me off, or cool, just go. Because I'm not in a rush to go anywhere, right? I'm on a vacation, so yeah, I don't make a fuss. I don't fight with anyone. I let them go. Even though I know I'm in the right, I just let them go. But that would be my recommendation. Here's a little hotel here. The Cliff Hotel. So a small little boutique hotel. You know, probably at $50 a night or something. Yeah, there's Donway Car Wash. This is pretty new, but it's nice. So if you're staying down here, there's apartments fairly new by Stadium as well. I'm sure there's tons of Airbnb. There's some big mansions on the hill. There's some big mansions there. Yeah, sorry for the shaking video, guys. You know, I'm just an amateur YouTuber. I haven't made it yet, so I can't afford the expensive non-shake equipment. I can't afford those things, so I just have to make do with what I have. But you know, I'll put in the work and see what happens. Hopefully it pays off. So I'm here with Tiffany, guys. Tell them your channel.
It's called Don Tiff. I mostly do cooking there. Yeah, you guys can go and check it out.
Yeah, check out her channel. So it's Don, D-O-N, and then Jamaican flag, and then Tiff, T-I-F-F. So D-O-N, Jamaican flag, the little flag picture emoji, and then Tiff, T-I-F. You're not gonna be disappointed. Here's a new office building just being built right here. So they've actually gone up fairly quick. And we're right at Mountain View Medical Center. So right at the intersection there, there's a new office building coming up. And yeah, one thing in Jamaica, I love the weather, you know. A lot of time you find like the locals, they take the nice weather for granted. You know, they take it for granted because they're so used to it. They see it every day. So there's another little business center here. It's a Stanton Business Center. So yeah. So here's the building. It's an office building. I think probably my next trip, this building probably should be fully completed. So we're gonna make the left right here. We're gonna make the left right here. Here's a taxi. Yes, see, I practice what I preach. You see, I just let them go. Don't fight with these guys. Don't fight with them. They own the roads down here, man. Just let them do what they want to do and get out of their way. Don't fight with the taxi them down here. So I like the sun, you know. I'm a person that likes the heat. Some people don't really like it, but I do. Also, maybe it's because I know the benefits of the vitamin D that the sun puts into your body. You know, sometimes you feel sick, you walk out into the sun and the sickness just is gone. And you're wondering, oh, I wonder what happened. You just needed some vitamin D. And I just like the weather. I'm from Canada, so I know what it's like to not see the sun for a long time period. To be in the dry, cold air, you know, where it dries out your body. You can put on lotion and maybe like 15 minutes later you gotta put on lotion again because the air is so dry. The hair on your head. Oh, here's another business center that they're building. I think it's completed, but I don't know what they're putting in there. Here's some apartments called the Keels. Yeah. Yeah, you know, Unity Primary School on the right. The weather is another. A lot of little hidden apartments too. Like a lot of little hidden apartments in these neighborhoods. But now a lot of tall buildings are going up in Kingston. Like, I don't know if anybody noticed, if anyone has been in Kingston recently, there's a lot of apartment buildings going up now. I don't really know what happened, where all this money is coming from, but I think now is the time to buy an apartment building. If you want to rent it out, or, you know, now is the time to get it, because they're going up. I'd say in the next couple of years, Jamaica skyline, Kingston is gonna look totally different. Like there's a building coming up that's gonna be even taller than the Pegasus Hotel building, and for the longest time in Kingston, that's the tallest building. Maybe even in all of Jamaica, the Pegasus Hotel. Yeah, so we're right by GPS Medical. There's some apartments over there. You gotta be careful of these bike men too. You have to fold in your mirror sometimes when you see them coming, because sometimes they don't really time it properly, and then they hit off your mirrors, and they're not gonna stop. Most of them don't even have car insurance, so I don't think you're gonna get anything for this, your mirror. So prevention is better than cure. Just fold it in when you hear that bike coming. There's some beautiful apartments over here. And these apartments is right across the street from AC Hotel, AC Marriott Hotel that just opened up, I think, in 2020. It opened up. Yeah, look at this. You see this truck? I just skipped the line. Yeah, I get used to a lot of that in Jamaica. People don't like waiting their turn here. You'll go to the bank or you're waiting somewhere and somebody will leave all 20 minutes and come back, and then they'll say, oh, my space, somebody was holding my space for me. And the person in front of you will say, yeah, they were here. So, you know, I hate that so much. If you leave your space, that's it. You lost it, man. How are you gonna hold space for somebody 15 minutes, 10 minutes, they're gone doing whatever, you're holding their space? Like, so what about all the people that did not leave? You know, so get used to that if you're gonna be down here a long period of time. There's the apartment. Yes, I'm just showing you guys Jamaica, you know. Hope this video is not too long. So coming up on the left is gonna be AC Marriott, where this car is coming from. That's coming from that hotel. You ever seen so much traffic here before? Other than the building? Yeah, they have some nice balconies. Yeah, that leads outside. Look how big these balconies are. And some of these apartments are for sale, you see? Some of them are for sale. Oh, I wonder what happened. What police is this? Oh, it's Friday. This apartment is called Hampton at Fairway. 16 Hampton at Fairway. Very beautiful. Very beautiful. And look what's next door to you. The AC Marriott and BMW, because you know AC Marriott share the grounds with BMW. So they're your neighbors. So if you want to come have a drink on a Friday, you don't even have to drive. You just dress up and walk across the street. Here's another sign right here for apartment being sold. This probably maybe a 1-bedroom, 40 million. You know, the housing market and apartment market is so popular now that crazy prices. So here's AC right here on the left. When I make my left here, you're gonna be able to see better. This video is not really about anything specific, you know, just showing Jamaica, showing my trip. I'm born in Jamaica, but raised in Toronto, Canada. You know, my goal one day is to live like 6 months in Jamaica, 6 months in Canada, or at least beat the whole winter. So maybe November, December, January, February, March. So November, December, January, February, March, April, come back May. So yeah, I guess that's 6 months. I guess that's 6 months. Feel the sun. Yeah, so we're gonna make our left now. I guess this is where a lot of the traffic is coming from. There's some apartments over there being built. This one over there just finished being built, the blue one. So here's the BMW Mini dealership. The BMW Mini. And this is right next to the AC Marriott Hotel. Be careful, this hotel is a little pricey. So when you come, be prepared to spend. They got extra parking over here as well. What is that? Not really. It's a nice bar over here, and they do karaoke, but I haven't been there, but I could hear it and stuff at nighttime. I've been meaning to check it out. It's a big bar too. Bar and karaoke. Yeah, there's a lot of little hidden spot in Jamaica too. It's almost like they don't really want certain people to know. Like there's a lot of hidden little bars and restaurants where if you don't know, you wouldn't know. Yeah. So this time is like traffic time. This is 3 o'clock. So, and we're on Trafalgar. These are the time you kind of should stay out of these areas if you can. Pretty much stay off the road if you can. You know, or you don't mind traffic. So this building just finished, that blue and white building they just finished not too long ago, a couple months. Yeah.